Hello and welcome to my channel, Love Anything Art. Today I have a really simple and fun project for you. Halloween is almost here and I don't know about you, but I still have to put together my finishing touches on my costume. So grab your clay and let's go. I will be using glow-in-the-dark clay that I've rolled out into a tube shape. I did buy this clay online since I couldn't find any in my local store. It will need to be the length of the hair barrette. If you find it's not long enough, you can always stretch it out to make it fit. Once it's the length you need, press it into place so that it sticks to the hair clip. If any of the clay sticks out on the sides, just use your tissue blade to trim it up. Once my clay is on my hair clip, all smoothed out and ready to go, I'll set it aside and I'll work on the eyeballs. I'm using sweet potato orange clay that I've rolled into a long tube. I'll need to slice off quite a few pieces for my eyeballs, and I want them all to be different sizes. Each of these slices I will roll into a nice perfect ball. Next, I'll place on my eyeballs. Only fill up about 1/3 of the length of the hair barrette at a time. I've rolled out some more glow-in-the-dark clay, and I'll slice off small pieces and roll each of those into a ball. And I'll do the same with some black clay, but these balls will need to be super tiny. Also, you'll need an exact matching amount as the glow-in-the-dark balls of clay. Place a single ball of glow-in-the-dark clay on the orange clay balls and press into place. Do the same with the black balls of clay. I'll continue placing on the orange balls, again, only covering about 1/3 of the way, and then repeating the steps. On a side note, all of the items I make are available in my Etsy shop, and a link is in the description box below. This is my finished product. Also, I've made one with green eyes. Next, I will bake my pieces and resin. And these are my spooky hair clips. Do watch your eyes in the next scene, because it will be very dark. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!